Hi, my name's Kerry Badham and I'm delighted to show you today our brand new unicorn cutter. It's a new addition to our range and it fits in really well with our magical and other fairy tale and princess cutter designs that we already have. The set comprises of one cutter. You can make a 2D design to stand on top of your cake, or you can cut it out and sit it flat on top. This is the cake that we've made to demonstrate our brand new unicorn cutter. You can cut the unicorn out and stick it to the front of your cake, or you could stick it on top, or you can do what we've done and we've made a lovely decoration that's standing. To do this, you would dry it completely. I would leave it for at least 24 hours, and once it's completely dry, I've then supported it with a lolly stick. And the great thing about these is it's completely food safe, so just make sure you let the person know who you've made the cake for. The paste we recommend you use is a modelling paste. So I start with a simple fondant. You can buy modelling paste, but you can also make it yourself, and I use what they call a Tylo or CMC. I place it on my mat and I knead it in. You can use an exact quantity, which is 1/4 teaspoon to 250 grams, but I make mine up as I go along. It means I have less waste. So I knead it all in, and you'll start to feel the paste firm up. The great thing about modelling paste is that it's firmer to use, it dries out quicker, and you have less chance of damaging it because it does go nice and firm. So now I would wrap this up, leave it for 30 to 60 minutes in cling film or an airtight container, or place it in an airtight container overnight, ready to use for the morning. Here's my modelling paste that I've made earlier. I've rolled it out and I've left it to dry off just for a small amount of time so it feels nice and dry on top. That will mean that I get a clean cut and it will prevent it from sticking in my cutter. So I've rolled it out 2 to 3 millimeters thick, turn the paste over. Now, nice and easy, you just place the cutter on top. And then you slide it around your mat. I remove the excess. Take the little sections out. So just run my hand around the edges to prevent any frayed edges. And then you can just push it through. I always use a soft, dry brush. Nice and simple. There you go, you have your unicorn cutter. So to add a little bit of detail, I just marked the little hooves with my knife and scriber tool, and then I painted them with an edible gold, and I painted the unicorn's horn with an edible gold. But what you'll notice that we did on the cake is that we made the tail and the mane rainbow. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here I have my modelling paste, and I've cut out thin strips of different coloured pastel paste, and then I've attached them with water to the thin strip of modelling paste at the back. So I'm going to take that edge off, just to neaten it up, and the first thing I'm going to do is the mane. So I'm going to place my cutter on top and I'm going to cut, and this ensures that you've got the exact shape of the mane. So remove that section, and then I used my knife and scriber tool to shape it, and using some water attached it to the unicorn. And I did exactly the same for the towel. I'm just going to neaten that edge. Place the towel on top slide it around my mat. And just push it through with my dry brush. Pull that out a bit firm. And then just trim and attach it on top. Nice and simple, but very effective. We also need to give our unicorn an eye. So just using the other end of my knife and scriber tool, tiny bit of water. And just place a little sugar ball. You can use black paste if you want to, but it's quick and easy to just use the sugar balls that are already made. To complement your unicorn cake, you can make some lovely unicorn cupcakes. Very nice to give to guests if they're coming over for your child's party. I've taken the small horse off the fairy tale motif set, and I've done exactly the same and given it a rainbow mane and tail, and just added the tiny unicorn horn. Thank you for watching our video. We do hope you enjoyed it.